Starting with my first favorite, Swiss Beauty HD Matte Lipsticks. As the name suggests, this has a creamy matte formula and the packaging is an exact dupe for Huda Beauty Power Bullet Lipsticks. Provides with maximum color payoff and extremely comfortable on lips because of its texture. The pigment is rich in formula and provides one swipe precise application. I have done a dedicated video on these lipsticks whose links I will mention it in the description. My next favorite is Milani Color Statement Matte Lipsticks. These are available in beautiful 24 shades in US whereas only 5 shades in India. These are cruelty free and infused with vitamin A and C. The formula is rich in pigment and has a creamy finish that gives a nice shine to your lips on application. This is one of my favorite when I am on the go. I can easily swipe it on my lips and my lips feels moisturized and hydrated. Next in the line is Maybelline Color Show Intense Crayon. It is one of that lipstick that is affordable, has a very high coverage and the pigment that covers your uneven and pigmented lips. Infused with honey that protects from darkening and dryness and has SPF 17 which is a wow factor. Available in 8 gorgeous shades that suits all Indian skin tone. Next is a cult favorite which is Wet n Wild Catsuit Matte Lipstick. A perfect nude for Indian brown skin people. A comfortable matte formula that glides like a dream and provides excellent color payoff in one swipe. This bestseller has a non-drying formula that feels like a second skin and you can easily wear it during the daytime, nighttime, in any occasion. This will definitely look good on all Indian skin tones. If you haven't tried this lipstick yet, then you are definitely missing on something. India's first safe made brand that is free from those harsh chemicals and they vouch to never use a 2000 ingredients listed under bad stuff. This transfer proof long lasting lipstick has a comfortable matte finish that claims to last up till 12 hours. It's a non-drying texture will make it love more as it is enriched with skin loving goodies like jojoba oil, sunflower oil, shea butter and vitamin E. A one-stroke application that provides maximum coverage, no feathering, available in 12 freaking shades to choose from. Milani has always been my favorite brand when it comes to their makeup line. Available in 7 shades in India, this dries to a soft velvety finish for fuller looking lips. The formula is very long lasting, lightweight and provides intense finish in one stroke application. Its non-sticky and non-drying texture make your lips look smooth and doesn't settle in your lip lines. This not so affordable lipstick goes down to pretty affordable when on discount. So next time when you see it on sale, just don't think twice and grab it so that you don't regret it later. If you guys don't know, I use this lipstick in many of my videos. A unique primer infused matte lip color that provides flawless base. The formula is matte but you will not feel it on your lips upon application. Gives a high coverage on one swipe application and even finish. No feathery, no tacky feeling and gives your lips a space to breathe. Available in spectacular 17 different shades to suit your mood and the best part is that you don't need a sharpener. Pick your perfect one from nudes to bolds and you will conquer the world. Insight Cosmetics is an affordable brand when it comes to their makeup. It is made in India. The lipsticks has a weightless formula that gives a bright, bold and beautiful lips. These are packed with pigment and gives one swipe even finish on application. It is completely waterproof, smudge proof, transfer proof and even mask proof. So if you're someone looking for affordable and wide shade range, then this is it. For more in-depth reviews, please click the link in the description and you can check my in-depth review for the same. Guys, this was my top 10 lipsticks for this year's festive season. Hope you guys enjoyed the shade and the swatches. I tried my best to bring out the shades that suits Indian skin tone perfectly, because being a brown skin girl myself, I know the struggle we all go through while selecting the correct lip shade for us. So I thought I'll make this video and this can be a reference video for you guys. And if any of you have liked any of the shade from this video, then please don't forget to comment down below. I shall be really very happy to read your comments. And if you like today's content, then please make sure to subscribe, hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. Also don't forget to turn the bell button on for my future updates, and I will see you soon with my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.